a map pack?
The only map pack it is like I downloaded this world, so the whole world is like stone flat.
What's
like,
it called?
Flat world.
But how did you get those things?
I made them.
You did not make Kirby.
I ain't serious. What's wrong with you? It's just a cop.
All I had to do was go on Google and then take a photo.
It's just
of
a
it.
cop.
And then put it. Yeah, how do you put it in the Minecraft world?
No, I don't copy it. I just like take a picture.
Yeah, are you a YouTuber?
I take a picture of it, and then after like
So evil.
go back to Minecraft. Look, see?
Not bad. Let me see.
I'm a YouTuber too.